I was just teaching a dataviz workshop and the concept of dotted lines came up. We're not using dotted lines just cuz we like them, we saw somebody use them with we thought they were cool. We inherited a project with dotted lines, so we just kept the dotted lines just cuz. That is not a good enough reason, okay? Dotted lines have a very specific value in dataviz. It's for projections. Or a synonym to that would be estimations. Okay. Whichever word fits best in your workplace. Q4, the estimated number, the projected number. It's like, we know these numbers for sure. That's why they're solid. This number is our best professional guess using our best math possible behind the scenes. Here's what we think will happen. Okay. That's the point of dotted lines. Let me show you how to make them in Excel because Excel doesn't make this easy. This is not intuitive. I don't know if you would have encountered this technique on your own behind the scenes. So I'm going to zoom way, 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 way in and show you. And I have to zoom way in because Excel is super picky. You have to click in just the right spot for this to work. Okay. Here it is. Close your eyes so you don't get dizzy. As I zoom, 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 I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for you to see, even if you're on a teeny tiny screen. Okay, something like that. Great. So each dot, each point along the line controls the preceding line segment. So if you want to make Q3 to Q4 dotted, you have to click on the Q4 dot or marker, which you can't see. So you kind of have to just like hover your mouse over the right spot and kind of guess. Okay. When you click on the line the first time, all four dots are selected, but you're going to click on it a second time so that just that Q4 dot is selected. Okay. This dot controls the preceding line segment. Okay. Click on the line once, twice. Then you're going to do a right click, hover your mouse right there. Don't move it. Don't move it. Do a right click. You go to the outline button and then you go to dashes. Now, which dash you choose, it depends a little bit about where your chart's going. If your chart's going to be really teeny tiny, like 2 inches by 2 inches, it's going to go on a really dense dashboard. Be really careful which dash you choose because sometimes when these charts are shrunk down, you can't even see the dashes anymore. They just get so teeny tiny. If your chart's going to be really big on a PowerPoint slide and that's the only chart on the slide, it's going to be like 5 by 10 inches with big font, then you probably have your choice of dashes. I typically use this one, but please check where it's going because you might need to use this one. Okay, you're going to have to adjust. That's it, okay? If you want to make this segment dotted, click on the line once, twice, right click, outline, dashes. Choose the same dash you just did. Don't switch dashes just because. That would be really inconsistent and that would be really confusing to your audience, okay? Outline, dashes, same one you just picked. If you'd want to make this segment dashed, you click on the dot here because the preceding line is controlled by that dot. So you could do a right click here. You could go to outline here, dashes. Okay. I don't know why this one would be dashed, but maybe you switched databases and the numbers weren't collected the same, something like that. There might be reasons for in between points to be dashed and not just the latest time. Okay, if you have any questions about projections, dotted lines, line charts, what to click on in Excel, comment and I will get through as many of your questions as I possibly can.